Adhikaris? That is a question that the Aam Aadmi Party is saying, that we were first off the bat. We were the ones who went and met Abhijit Dipke. We were there at Jantar Mantar. We have been supporting them throughout. We have been boosting their morale. Then is the Congress being used as a Trojan horse by the BJP?
कांग्रेस के प्रोटेस्ट को वहां पे सजाया गया प्रधानमंत्री के घर के बाहर और सब जगह लाइव चलवाया गया। यहां 1 महीना हो गया, कोई एक अफसर नहीं आया। 1 घंटे के अंदर 2 मंत्री राहुल गांधी से मिलने पहुंच गए, 2 सेक्रेटरी पहुंच गए। भैया जुगलबंदी क्या है? हमें
आम आदमी से सर्टिफिकेट नहीं चाहिए। पहले 7 MP भेज दिए उन्होंने बीजेपी के पास और अब बोलेंगे हमको सबक सिखाएंगे।
You know, Bikramjit Pasi, I was looking at a lot of comments online when people like Atishi, people like Sanjay Singh, people like Saurabh Bharadwaj were commenting. There were people who were saying that you can't read the room. The whole mood is now to put the government on the mat, to have common cause with the rest of the parties, and you are attacking the Congress. Why?
Padmaja, you have asked me the question because the Congress was missing since the very beginning. Now 25 days have been passed and Mr. Rahul Gandhi was on a layer trip to abroad. He was not in India. Mr. Wangchuk was on hunger strike, but Mr. Rahul Gandhi was on a layer trip. And even till today, Congress has not disclosed the countries where he was wandering. And at the last, he was assisted. I think he was assisted, or he was allowed to reach there to post some pics and to get some popularity, because this exam leak mafia, I'm saying this exam leak mafia is working since 2004 and more than 150 exam papers have been leaked. Even in 2004 and 2008 medical entrance examination leaked. 2006 and 2012 postgraduate and medical entrance papers were leaked in Delhi. 2007 and 2011 engineering and medical exams were leaked, and thereafter when BJP came into power, this mafia became more stronger, and the Congress as well as the BJP were doing nothing against them. And these students are not criminals. These are our children, these are our students, these are our future. And what type of treatment was given to them? I have seen a video wherein a 3-star police officer was hitting with a stick at the back of a young girl.
Yesterday in Punjab.
Mr. Bhandari, you are not the owner of this country. Kindly let me speak.
Yes, I am not the owner of this country, but I am the taxpayer of this country. I am saying how you beat the students in Punjab.
Mr. Bhandari, kindly speak in your term. You are not.
Why you rattle when I speak Punjab?
This is the bad luck.
Don't be arrogant, sir.
And its leaders
be humble.
are starting thinking, and they are the owners of this country.
Sir, you are not the owner of Punjab. Speak about students of Punjab, sir.
You are not the dictators. Kindly
don't be a fascist, sir.
I have courage. I have courage to see.
On Punjab, yesterday, Lathi charging the students in Punjab, sir.
Kindly listen, Mr. Bhandari. Kindly listen, Mr. Bhandari. अपनी बारी में बोल लेना. You can speak in your turn.
मैं अपनी बारी में बोलूंगा. मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि आप पंजाब भी बोल लो.
Kindly speak. अगर आपने बोलना है बोल लीजिए.
नहीं बिक्रमजीत जी, होता ही है ना, होता ही है. And I've got big news in fact coming in. We've got the first video message from Sonam Wangchuk after that letter that he wrote, and he's in fact said, and this is the big news point, Sonam Wangchuk, who is still in a private hospital, has said withdraw FIRs against students, has appealed to the government. He has put out this video message and he has said, I will break my fast